What up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the CEX IO Exchange. I'm not going to be talking about the mining platform this time around, but I'll be showing you how you can take advantage of the exchange and start making some USDT by yourself. All right. So if you are interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to pay attention to details in this video till the end. Alright, now if you have the CEX IO Exchange application on your mobile phone and you are not taking maximum advantage of it right now, you are just hoping on only the airdrop without checking out the exchange and trying to make use of it, then you might be missing out on some interesting things. Alright, if you have this application already, you need to make sure you do your verifications. You know, every exchange always asks for your KYC, because without this KYC you won't be able to do any transaction with the application. So it's very important you do your KYC, and to do that you come over here, click to the profile section over here, then you can see verification right here. You tap on it, then you'll be able to do your verifications. Now I've already done one of my verifications. I think you will need to have about 3 steps. There are 3 steps of verification, but I've already done one. You can see over here which says completed right here. So I've already completed one and I can go ahead and do my transactions on this platform, so I'm good to go. But if you want to complete other verifications, there are benefits for completing that, because you will definitely increase your deposit and your withdrawal limits. That's just some of the benefits from getting for doing other verifications. All right, once you're done with all your verifications and all the normal procedures, one of the things you should be doing in order for you to take advantage of this platform to make some USDT is by going to the earn section. All right, you can click on the earn section, and once you come over here, what you're going to be doing here is either you are staking your funds or you are saving. So either one of the two, you are actually going to be locking some of your funds for extra rewards. So this is a passive income system right here. You do not need to come over and be clicking regularly or doing anything like tasks or so on. This is for somebody that have some funds already in his wallet. It could be Bitcoin, it could be Shiba, any cryptocurrency you want, any cryptocurrency you have laying in your wallet and you just want to put it to work for you. You can bring it over here and you take your time to go through this section to be sure of which cryptocurrencies that you can stake right here. So you can just come over here and you can easily swap to the cryptocurrency that you want to stake, and you just stake and you can definitely start earning regular every single day. If you've been staking cryptocurrency for a while now, you understand that it is the higher you stake, the higher your reward. So that's just a simple logic of how this thing work right here. So apart from the saving and staking system here, which is actually a passive income system, there is also an active income system which is about trading. This one requires some skills and knowledge in trading. All right, so all you have to do is to click on the trade section. If you're a good trader, if you know how to read the chart, you understand price action, you know how to analyze the crypto market, you will be able to make some money trading on this application right here. So once you click on trade over here, you are going to see a whole lot of cryptocurrencies that are available right there. Let me go back. So you can just come over here and scroll through to find the cryptocurrency that you will like to trade. All right, so to make things easier for yourself, you can use the search bar that is right up here. So once you click on the search icon over here, you will just write out the name of the crypto you want to search for, and you're just going to search and you'll be able to get the cryptocurrency that you want to trade, or you just want to check the price before you trade, or you want to analyze the market before you trade. So you are just going to do that, and let me just select one so that I'll show you what it looks like. All right, let's go with this 1000 sats. All right, so this is it. You can see the price of the market, you can see the buy sell button over here. If you know how to read the chart, you click over here on the chart, then you'll be able to get a chart, and this chart is straight from the trading view platform. All right, so this is it. You're going to see a chart this way, and if you know how to read the candlesticks and all these charts movement, you should be able to trade and make some money with this platform over here. But guys, as you all know, trading requires lots of skills and knowledge on how this thing really works. If you do not know how to trade, maybe you should probably get some knowledge about this. If you want to really know how to make money online, either passively or actively with cryptocurrencies, you should join my Telegram channel right now in the description. That's where I drop updates very regularly, daily, on how to earn online every single day. All right, so guys, the link is in the description. Over here is where we are going to be seeing our CEXP that we are mining on the Telegram application right now. So if you are not yet mining on the CEXP on Telegram, but you can still hop on it. The link is in the description of this video, and I've made videos on how to use the platform to earn and even level up your accounts very fast. So I've made videos on all that. The links to those videos are in the description of this video. Go down there, you are going to click on it, and you're going to watch and understand this project very easily. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.